Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you why making a YouTube channel about meditation and spirituality is not the way to go. The first thing that people think when they want to start a channel on YouTube is, how can I make money? But if you're starting out, it's important to focus on your content and building up an audience before thinking about monetizing your videos. We are going to talk about some channels that make money with their content as well as how much of an impact it makes on their earnings. And here comes the trendy topic, meditation videos. A lot of people are going crazy on YouTube wondering how they can become successful uploading copyright-free music and stock footage to create a meditation channel. Okay, let's take a look at how many views those channels are getting. The Social Blade stats for YouTube channels about meditation and relaxing music are in front of your eyes. Without analyzing it too much, we see that they are getting 6 million views per month. Not bad. But let's take a look at other channels too. Here is a channel called Yellow Brick Cinema, Relaxing Music. Take a look from the Social Blade page. It looks really astonishing and representing the brand. They have 2,300 uploads and wait for it, 24 million views per month. Before we explain how much they earn in income, let me show you a third channel. The channel is called Soothing Relaxation, and with 440 uploads, they get almost 70 million views per month. Both of those channels have one thing in common, and it is video length. YouTube likes long videos. In fact, there is more space for ads on longer videos. The more ads you include, the happier YouTube becomes, which in turn will make you happy, as long as your viewers watch the entire duration of your video. When it comes to how much you will get paid, you should look at the total watch time you received from your audience. To better understand this, let's use this small example. Bob has a video that is 3 minutes long and already 1 million views. He speaks about general topics in his video. Bobby has a video that is 3 hours long and gained 1 million views as well. His channel is only music and meditation themed. Who has earned more from ad revenue? To answer this question, let's analyze one more thing. If you have a music or meditation themed channel, which are very similar, you do not want to put ads in the middle of your music, unless it's bumper ads that pop up from time to time. However, bumper ads pay much less than skippable and non-skippable ads. Imagine this scenario. You place many ads on your music video on YouTube, and your video is relaxing meditation music. John clicks on the video, places his headphones on, sets it to a higher volume, starts to relax, then suddenly, Alec Baldwin appears on the screen with an annoying stocks ad inviting the viewer to invest in stocks during his meditation. If you do this, you will not have a successful meditation channel on YouTube. Loud, obnoxious advertisements during a time of relaxation will annoy your viewers. Let's get back to Bob and Bobby. Now knowing Bobby cannot place as many ads during his longer meditation video without alienating his viewers, he may earn less than Bob with his 3-minute video that is just about a general topic, where ads could be more easily placed. Another fact that may influence you from starting a meditation YouTube channel is a majority of your audience will be from Asia. The Western world is not as familiar with meditation content yet, and you won't get expensive ads on your videos. So let's say Bobby has India's audience. His revenue per 1,000 views will be something around 30 cents, but let's just say $1 because Bobby has 3 hours of video length and may include many bumper ads. Bob has only 3 minutes of video and 2, maybe 3 non-skippable or skippable ads. Approximately, he earns $3 to $6 per 1,000 views, and that's only YouTube's average. Perhaps he's secretly earning $10 per 1,000 views. So we have 3 high-quality meditation relaxation channels in front of our eyes. They have all built trust and gathered huge audiences with millions of views every single month. But do they earn enough for the effort that they have to put in? 6, 24, and 70 million views. Each million has a multiple of 1,000 times 1,000. Multiply $1 by 6,000, you have $6,000. 1 times 24,000 is $24,000. You do the math. They earn a lot, but the problem is, their niche is so competitive that even Elon Musk couldn't make the channel go viral with his music. Yes, Elon Musk does create music. If you don't believe me, check this out. Now don't get us wrong, meditation channels are a good choice if you already have an audience for that niche, which is rare. If we would compare these views with a standard channel that creates videos more about general topics, engaging viewers by showing visuals, you would be surprised. Your earnings with that many views would be 3 times higher or more. The real question is it worth creating a YouTube meditation channel? If you are looking for easy money and want less competition, no. If you have an audience already and are willing to put in many work hours and long nights editing 3-hour-plus videos, then yes. We are honest when we say, too many people fall for the easy-to-make videos, thinking that if they do exactly as others do, they will have the same level of success as those channels we just showed you. The truth about YouTube's algorithm is that you have to create content viewers like, not videos you necessarily enjoy making. Each video, whether it be you speaking in front of a camera or a visual story with copyright-free footage or music, must provide value to the audience. Value is determined by the average time your viewers watched your video and the engagement your audience provides. Engagements are likes, dislikes, both of which are good for YouTube, comments, and subscriptions. If someone decided to share your video to social media or a private message, that viewer is like gold to you. Keep engaging, creating quality content, and your videos will be picked up by YouTube's algorithm. This means your video will be suggested at YouTube's homepage, up next videos, and at the search results within related searches or people also watched. Our suggestion is, stop chasing a trend and create something that has never been seen before, or perhaps watch popular videos on YouTube and try to take what works for them and put your own twist on it with your own content, improving your quality. To inspire you, we have selected channels that have outstanding results doing things differently from one another. PADDY GALLOWAY, the real value provider. What he does is simply analyze successful channels on YouTube and makes whiteboard animation using software that makes his job easier. The link of the software is in the description. PADDY GALLOWAY is providing value because he does what people like to see. Viewers, mainly creators on YouTube, thinking about going viral on a daily basis. The problem is, many YouTube channels never experience any sort of takeoff on their videos, so they are Googling and watching YouTube videos on how to go viral. And because PADDY's channel that we are covering has many views, audience retention, and engagement, these videos are found at the home page of YouTube and suggested videos, because it may answer the question viewers are looking for. PADDY GALLOWAY's channel gains more than 500,000 views per month, which is not as much as compared to the meditation channels we covered, but considering the fact these videos are longer than 8 minutes and contain ads about finance and wealth, he is likely earning $30 to $60 per 1,000 views. That comes to an average of $25,000. You can always decide what you want to do, but we suggest starting with something new or improving upon something you've already seen be successful here on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Your engagement is highly appreciated, and see you all very soon.